Our recipe for today, creamy mushroom chicken. Hello everyone! Welcome to another recipe video of Carinderia. For this recipe, we need the following. For the seasonings, combine salt, pepper, dried oregano, garlic powder, dried rosemary, and paprika. Then cuts of chicken, onion, mushroom, garlic, oil, butter, flour, chicken stock, and milk. Chopped parsley for garnish.
Let's start. First, pat dry the chicken, then season it with the combined seasonings. Make sure to season both sides of the meat. Heat pan, add in a little bit of oil and around 50 grams of butter, then melt. Then, sear both sides of the chicken. Then when you achieved this color both sides, take it out from the pan and set aside. On the same pan, sauté onion, mushroom and garlic. When you see that the onion is translucent, add in a heaping tablespoon of all-purpose flour, mixed it well. Then slowly add in the chicken stock, while stirring it continuously to prevent the flour from clumping. Let it boil. Then when it boils, add in the seared chicken. Cover, simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the chicken first from the pan, so that you can mix in the milk properly. Add in milk, stir it properly, then simmer for a bit. Put back in the chicken. Then sprinkle with some chopped parsley.
Then it's done, our creamy mushroom chicken. Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to notify you when I have a new video upload.